One of the finest cooking fats is ghee, which is clarified butter, and it's very easy to make. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to turn the heat on this pan and put in a half a pound of butter. Of course, you could clarify a whole pound, but you don't need much. So this will make about a pint. Now, as this starts to melt, what I'm going to be doing is skimming off the milk solids of the butter and waiting for the water in the butter to dissipate. And once the water and those milk solids or the protein in the butter fat is gone, I will have clarified the butter. And butter, ghee is used in Indian cooking a lot, but you can use it in a lot of different things. And one of its advantages is you get that incredible buttery flavor, but it can hold a higher temperature than butter can because it's been clarified. The other thing to know about ghee is that in Indian cooking, ghee is thought to magnify all of the beneficial qualities about any food that it is with. And I believe that's true. It's that tasty. So as soon as it starts melting, you're going to see the milk solids going in here, and I will start skimming them off.
Knock, knock. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm Miss Philpott. I live next door, the Philpotts.
Oh, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, I brought you a little ambrosia there.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you so much.
Marshmallows and things to welcome you to the neighborhood.
Thank you. That's so nice of you.
Well, you got a lot of people here. What are they taping something?
Yeah, I'm doing a cooking show.
You're famous. I didn't know.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And they all live here too?
Most of them.
Well, that's nice. And I seen that. Who's that older fella?
That's my father-in-law.
Yeah. Oh,
yeah,
well,
his name is Ward.
That's
and
lovely.
my daughter lives here, Jane, and her son, Joaquin. They all live here with me.
I see.
And and my husband, Steve. My husband, Steve.
And what are you
Hey,
doing
how you
there?
doing?
Oh, hi,
Steve.
how you doing? It's Carlotta Philpott. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, okay, I saw your name next door.
Yeah, the little plastic deers, the little things out in the front, the little fountain with the
Yeah,
ducks
those are
on it.
great.
That's, yeah.
Hey, why don't I show you around the house?
Oh, yeah.
So I'm just clarifying this butter, and
I know it can get confusing sometimes. Now, boy, that's big back here. Look
thank you so much. That was so sweet
sure,
of you.
honey, you enjoy that now.
So this is almost done. What you want to do is listen very carefully to the butter as it melts, and as I get the last bit of the milk solids off and the water goes out, the sound actually changes. Can you hear that? Yeah. Well, it starts making a different sort of sound. It sounds kind of poppy, and that means the water's gone from it and it's ready to go. So yeah, I think I need a clean strainer. Maybe not. This will be fine. Then you just strain it into a clean jar and store it on your shelf or in the refrigerator if you don't use it up very quickly. And it keeps for quite a while, and it's just the most beautiful cooking fat in the world, ghee. As it cools, it will solidify and look like this, and it's just heavenly. And I'm just gonna peek in here and see what she brought. It was really sweet of her. The unusual woman. Oh.